And they've talked about Hurricane Helene weakening, getting stronger, weakening, and now they're talking about strong Cat 4, maybe a Cat 5 potential, likely. They don't know. They don't know. But what I do know is that I hope everybody that's in the path of this storm is left, got out of the way. I hope they're not trying to ride this thing out. It's not worth it. Your life's not worth it. Things can be replaced. All right, let's check back tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. I hope no lives are lost. I really do. Good night.